comments on the master budget. First, be sure to pick up down below where applicable the beginning trial balance numbers, particularly for the schedule of cash collections, inventory purchases, and payables, and then of course the building and capital stock and things of that nature and retained earnings when you complete your financial statements. On the schedule of cash collections, be sure you link percentage in credit to the percentage in cash. So if cash is 20%, credit is 80. If cash was 30, percentage credit would be 70. Our beginning inventory, that's given, and that will be up in our trial balance. So it might not be 25% of January sales. Again, the beginning inventory, pick it up from the trial balance. Schedule of cash disbursements. If we're 50% cash, then we're 50% credit. If we were 40% cash, 60% credit. Our depreciation expense is quarterly, so monthly, it's going to be a third of that amount. Down on our cash budget, I've used an if statement to decide whether or not we need to borrow money. If our excess receipts over disbursements is less than our, and again, link it to our minimum balance cell, we're going to want to borrow money. And in terms of, we can borrow in increments of 1,000, so we're going to need to use Excel's round up function to make sure we round to the nearest $1,000. Interest expense is based on our beginning monthly loan balance plus any new borrowings. So our beginning balance was 0, but we had $99,000 in new borrowings during the month. So for the month of January, our interest expense was $990. Since repayments are assumed to be made at the end of the month, in February, we still owed $990 in interest. You're going to need to use some sort of logical statement also for your repayments. First asking, do we have excess cash? And in this case, the answer is yes. So we can repay the loan to the extent that we have any loan. And in this case, we owed $99,000, but we wouldn't want to repay the entire thing because that would bring us down below our $30,000 minimum cash balance. So we're only repaying $49,820. The next month, we're making a similar calculation. We have excess cash. We don't want to pay the entire difference between $124,030 back because we only owe $49,180. So make sure you don't pay the loan off below what we owe on a particular loan. So again, for repayments, the first question we want to ask is, do we have excess cash? Is the 79 greater than our 30? Then if we do have excess cash, we want to pay the lesser of whatever excess cash we have or the outstanding loan balance at that particular point in time.